Bulisa ke igama nguSimphiwe from kwaSimphiwe Molefe Properties. Ke namhlanje ke silapha eBhisho sikwenye izindlu zethu sineviewing esinayo. Please come join us. Now what we need to notice ke ne ngicela babonise front. We've got two main entrances, kukho lena kukho naleya yebo. Both of them are secure. Ivele kakuhle ne? Okay. Now another advantage ke ne lena, it is wall fence. If you look at it, ababonisa nje yonke le ndawo phambili wayo. Here's your garage yakho. Unomnyango lophumela phambili yabo, it's wall fence as you can see all around it. This space is aneleyo kakhulu, so it's very secure kakhulu. Feature in the main road. Okay, babonisele nakuqala boss ne. Okay. Siqale apha emagumbeni. It's a 3-bedroom house. Nale gumbi lokuqala. So it can also be igumbi labantwana elo. Lena ngoku line built-ins, onke amagumbi alapha ne built-ins. That is the main bedroom. In a buildings. Very spacious kakhulu. Then this is room number 3. And down for your kitchen area. Then you can also come back and just show them around. Okay, siyacela ke xa unomdla yona, come for viewing. You want to buy, if you've got any inquiries, you need our services, don't hesitate to phone at 043 721 0351. Alternatively, still phone at emergency number into 073 27 12 589. Coming Simphiwe from Simphiwe Molefe Properties. As I said, so please do follow us on all our social media platforms, with TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, YouTube, and other platforms. For this time. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. See you when you view.